Good morning and a happy New Year's to all the viewers. So now today we'll talk about Jubilant FoodWorks, the Domino's pizza maker. What is new that is happening in Jubilant FoodWorks? We have seen since a while that Jubilant FoodWorks has been foraying into different categories, different food categories. Biryani was something that they entered into forayed into at the beginning of the month of December. They are already into the Chinese cuisine place, as well as they came up with an innovative pizza, which is the unthinkable pizza, which is non-meat but popular protein food based a pizza, which is a non-meat pizza. That was also very exciting and innovative. Now, what is new that has actually happened in Jubilant FoodWorks is that they announced an investment of 92 crores, that is around 10.76% stake in the casual dining space, that is Barbeque-Nation Hospitality, and this is an all-cash transactions by the company. Now they have entered into a share subscription agreement to acquire the new Barbeque-Nation's equity shares and restated shareholder agreement to regulate the rights and obligations for the Barbeque-Nation's key holders as well. Now, obviously, this is the if you're going to see for Jubilant FoodWorks, this is the third different food segment that they have forayed into, and that is a very exciting space that is coming in, especially for Jubilant FoodWorks. And that's something that we're going to keep an eye out overall on Jubilant FoodWorks. Now this is a financial investment which the company has made, and they have focused on Jubilant FoodWorks has stayed focused on expanding its new portfolio as well, and we are seeing that with all these new launches that they've come up with and strategic ideas that they've come up with in the recent months. So the management is quite excited even for their ready to cook portfolio which they have entered into. So very exciting, and this is the third like I mentioned before, the third space that Jubilant FoodWorks is forayed into in the adjacent food segment. And obviously COVID has led to created a market share opportunity for organized players, and Jubilant FoodWorks is surely on the forefront and seems like it's playing on the front foot and is here to take the benefit of this market share shift towards organized players, where people are focusing more on branded players and health, hygiene, other factors that are playing on people's minds. And that is surely something that is Jubilant FoodWorks is being able to innovate and capture this market. And it seems like they are surely going to be capturing the market share. They are looking at the consumer sentiments, what is the consumer preferring, and coming out with new ideas. So that is very exciting coming in from Jubilant FoodWorks space. Now, obviously, like I mentioned, they are broadening their food service space as well. And, Jubilant FoodWorks, Morgan Stanley also has maintained an equal weight stance on the company. And for Jubilant FoodWorks, is becoming stronger in the current environment. And that is something we are going to keep an eye out for. And that is why Jubilant FoodWorks is in focus. Yesterday also we'd seen the stock buzzing in trade, and let's keep an eye out on how the stock actually performs and what are the new strategic as well as financial investments that the company actually comes into forays into going forward.